Ikechukwu is a very, very important word because you're dealing with Chukwu, which is the big Chi or the almighty Chi. And you're also dealing with the Chi, which you can look at the Chi as energy. You know, one of the better ways to understand the Chi is as energy. So when we're talking about Chukwu, we're also talking about this big, powerful energy. And you know, energy flows from one place to the other. So, you know, you're looking for like a connection to God. It's what you're doing in connection with God. It's very, very important. And if it's in connection with God, that means you can draw the power, the higher power. And, you know, it all comes to networks. That's like having a network which reaches back to God. And also you having a network to implement whatever it is. But whatever it is, the Ikechukwu is power. It's the power of the power. The power of the energy. The power of the power. See you next time.